The moon is our closest celestial neighbor and has been with humanity for as long as we've been around. It's inspired awe and wonder in us since the dawn of human history. But what if I told you that the moon wasn't always there, and that it might not even be natural? And then what if I told you that at one point in Earth's past, there were two moons? Welcome to my channel. And today, let's talk about what if a moon formation, a scenario that is both fascinating and somewhat terrifying. Before we get into the video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing videos. One of the most intriguing mysteries surrounding the moon is its origin. The prevailing theory among astronomers is that the moon formed naturally, perhaps from debris ejected from the Earth after a massive collision with a Mars-sized planet named Theia. This impact is believed to have occurred around 4.5 billion years ago, not long after the Earth formed. According to this giant impact hypothesis, the debris from the collision coalesced over time to form the moon. While this theory explains many of the characteristics of the moon, such as its relatively small size and its composition, it leaves some questions unanswered. For example, it's unclear why the moon is so similar in composition to the Earth's mantle. If it formed from debris ejected from the Earth's surface, it should have a different composition. Additionally, simulations of the giant impact have shown that the resulting debris cloud would have quickly dispersed without forming a moon. An alternative theory suggests that the moon was captured by the Earth's gravity. This could have happened if the moon formed elsewhere in the solar system, perhaps as a rogue satellite or a captured asteroid. However, this theory also has its shortcomings. Capturing an object as large as the moon would require a much more massive planet than the Earth, and there's no evidence that the Earth was more massive in the past. Some astronomers have even suggested that the moon could have formed in a different galaxy and been transported to our solar system through a process known as gravitational capture. In recent years, new evidence has emerged that challenges the traditional view of the moon's origin. Analysis of lunar samples brought back by NASA's Apollo missions in the 1960s and 70s revealed that the moon's composition is more like the Earth's mantle than the crust, suggesting that it didn't just come from material on the Earth's surface. Furthermore, studies of lunar rocks have shown that they are much younger than the Earth itself, indicating that they did not form at the same time as the Earth. Some researchers have even claimed that the moon may still be geologically active, with evidence of recent volcanic activity. All of these findings have led to speculation that the moon may not have formed in the way that we think. Okay, let's assume that there are a lot of unknowns when it comes to the moon's origin. What if it never existed in the first place? Now that would be quite a bold statement to make, but hear me out. There's nothing in the geological record on Earth that provides evidence of the moon's existence billions of years ago. We don't have any ancient moon rocks or fossils that could prove that it's been with us for as long as we've been around. In fact, all the evidence we have of the moon's existence goes back only about 2 billion years. That's a big gap in our understanding of the moon's history. This lack of evidence raises some interesting questions. How could such a large and bright object have gone unnoticed for billions of years? And why do we suddenly start seeing evidence of the moon only 2 billion years ago? One possible explanation is that the moon formed relatively recently, perhaps within the past few billion years. But that raises another question. Where was it hiding? A more intriguing possibility is that the moon was once visible in the sky, but somehow it's been covered up by something else. Perhaps a massive cloud of dust or gas hid the moon from view until relatively recently. Or maybe the moon was destroyed and then reformed. If the moon suddenly disappeared or became invisible, it would have had profound implications for life on Earth. The moon plays an important role in stabilizing the Earth's climate and tides. Without the moon, the Earth would be a very different planet. So where is the evidence that the moon has been around for as long as we think? Where are the ancient moon rocks or fossils that could prove its existence? And why does the geological record offer no evidence of the moon's presence billions of years ago? Could it be that the moon is a relatively recent addition to the Earth's planetary system, and that its sudden appearance has had a profound impact on our planet's history? In the realm of astronomy, there are certain occurrences that challenge our understanding of the universe. One such phenomenon is a rare and awe-inspiring event known as a super blue blood moon. It combines three separate lunar events into one: a supermoon, a blue moon, and a total lunar eclipse, creating a celestial spectacle that has captivated humanity for centuries. A supermoon occurs when the moon reaches its closest point to the Earth in its orbit, making it appear slightly larger and brighter than usual. On the other hand, a total lunar eclipse happens when the Earth casts its shadow on the moon, turning it a reddish color due to the scattering of sunlight through the Earth's atmosphere. When all these three events occur simultaneously, it's called a super blue blood moon. Such events are rare and unpredictable, making their occurrence a captivating sight to behold. In recent times, there have been several instances of super blue blood moons that have left people in awe. For instance, on January 31, 2018, the world witnessed a total lunar eclipse that turned the moon a deep red color, giving rise to the nickname Blood Moon. Similarly, on July 16, 2019, a supermoon coincided with a total lunar eclipse, creating a spectacular sight that captivated stargazers worldwide. However, not all lunar eclipses result in a blood moon. For instance, on May 12, 2022, a total lunar eclipse occurred, but the moon did not turn red due to the lack of sufficient atmospheric scattering of sunlight. In contrast, the super blue blood moon of January 2019 combined three lunar phenomena: a supermoon, a blue moon, and a total lunar eclipse, making it a truly unique celestial event. Some believe that these occurrences hold spiritual significance, and some see them as omens of significant events on Earth. However, it's important to note that these beliefs are not scientifically substantiated, and the occurrences of super blue blood moons are simply a testament to the wonders of the universe. As we continue to explore space and unravel its mysteries, we may encounter other celestial phenomena that challenge our understanding of the universe, just as the super blue blood moon has done. These occurrences serve as reminders of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos and leave us in awe of the beauty that lies beyond our planet. It's easy to imagine how the absence of the moon could throw off our planet's delicate balance. The moon's gravity affects the tides, and its presence has helped stabilize the Earth's tilt on its axis, which helps to maintain a relatively stable climate. Without the moon, the Earth would experience more extreme weather events, and the climate would be less hospitable to life as we know it. The moon also reflects light from the sun, making it appear to glow in the night sky. This reflected light has played an important role in human culture and mythology. The moon has inspired countless works of art, literature, and music, and has been a source of wonder and inspiration for humans for thousands of years. It's hard to imagine how our culture and history would be different if we had never had the moon to look up to. Now, let's shift gears a bit and explore another intriguing aspect of the moon's existence: its potential impact on human evolution. Some experts believe that the moon's gravity may have played a role in the evolution of life on Earth, including the development of humans. They suggest that the moon's gravitational pull may have influenced the Earth's climate and the behavior of living things on the planet. For example, the moon's gravity may have affected the Earth's atmosphere, which in turn would have influenced the evolution of living things on the planet. Additionally, the moon's light may have affected the behavior of animals and plants on the Earth, which would have had a cascading effect on the ecosystem as a whole. It's fascinating to consider how something as seemingly distant as the moon could have such a profound impact on life here on Earth. By studying the potential effects of the moon on our planet and its inhabitants, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex interactions that shape our world. So, while the moon may seem like a constant and unchanging part of our world, it's important to remember that its effects are far-reaching and constantly evolving. Its influence on our planet's climate, tides, and even the evolution of life itself is a testament to the interconnectedness of the natural world. So whether we're marveling at its beauty in the night sky or studying its effects on our planet, the moon continues to captivate and inspire us. Well, folks, that's about all the time we have for today's video. But before we go, I want to ask you a question. What do you think? Did the moon really exist in the early stages of Earth's formation, or has it always been there? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for joining me on this journey through space and exploration, and I'll see you next time.